We were going to replace this molding here. You can see it's really weather checked. I could have actually kind of sanded it and painted it. I was able to purchase the molding for the whole RV for about $85. So I've removed this. So over here you can see this is the mounting. It's an aluminum strip where that piece mounts onto. It basically just slides over this. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm actually replacing the old screws. You can see the screws they use aren't stainless, so they're rusted, and I've got all new screws. Putting some new ones in here. I'll clean all this, and then when I put the old molding on, or the new molding, I will put a little bead of caulk along here to weatherize it a little bit. It's number 8, 1 inch long. But you know, they're all going to be different. This particular one. So all the screws, there was about 30 of them, were the old ones were taken out, and I put the stainless steel screws in. I've got the new molding already started on here. You can watch me feed it on here again. I purchased 37 feet. It may not be enough to do the whole job, but that's all they had. I looked all over for this. I actually got it from a Jayco dealer, and they were the only ones that had it. They said they could order more, so if I just need 2 or 3 feet for some of these smaller sections, I can do that. Okay, so I've got this all the way to the end here. So this is the old one. You can see it's weather checked. Lots of cracks on it. The color is very faded. This one's brand new. I still need to clean it. So I'm going to put a little bead of caulk right here, and then caulk along here. But I'll do that later.
Hey y'all! Please don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and push the membership button too. We love you! Mama,
So basically you just take the old piece out. I didn't show that, but you just take, your screen comes in a roll, and you just take the piece and fit it close to the old size. You have a little bit of overlap because this is all going to get cut off with a utility knife once I get it all finished. So you push the spline in there with this tool. There's a concave and a convex. This is the spline and this is the spline tool. So this is what goes into the groove right here to attach the screen. So you want to pull this tight, or taut, tight, and it's not easy to do when the screen is up. I haven't done this before. I just wanted to try to do it without taking the door off, but it's easy to take it off. You know, there's only 9 screws, but I just wanted to see if I could do it without actually removing the door. So we're going to do the bottom. So surprisingly, it turned out really good. It's not perfect, but it was free. This screen was actually came with the RV. The people were intending to do this, so they just included it with it. Although it's not perfect, it'll work for us for now, and I can redo it the next time and it'll be much better. So what I need to do is cut this now. This is just a screwdriver. I'm just making sure it's pressed into the ends here so it doesn't come out.
What are you doing, Dad?
Daddy's making a screen so the flies can't get in here.
Please don't hold them flies, otherwise they're gonna get so sad.
We don't want them to get sad, do we?
I like it. Bye, Daddy. Guys, hey guys, we finished the puzzle. Hi guys. This is it. There's no more flies. They got me back again, guys. Join our family by clicking the join button down below. Your membership will help more kids in the Philippines who needs books and computers for their school. Thank you guys, we love you.
Looking forward to your membership, guys. We love you.
My channel, subscribe to my channel.